Hi, my name is Adam and I work for HP. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing, setup, and installation of the HP Envy 5540 printer. This is the HP Envy 5540 printer. The first thing we're going to do is open the box. Inside the box you will find a set of ink cartridges. This is the number 62 tricolor cartridge. You will also find the black 62 ink cartridge. We will set these aside and install them later. This bag contains the power cord and other important setup information, which we'll come back to as well. Here is a sample pack of HP Advanced photo paper, an ink caution sheet, and your printer setup disk for both Windows and Mac. If you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at hp.com/drivers. Remove any packing materials on top of the printer. And now we will take the printer out of the box. Set the box on its side. Firmly grasp the plastic bag the printer came in and pull the printer out of the box. Set the box aside and remove the styrofoam end caps one at a time. Now we can slide the printer out of the plastic bag. Once the printer is removed, we need to remove all tape and packing materials. Start by lifting the scanner lid, remove the styrofoam sheet, then close the scanner lid. Remove the plastic that covers the HP logo. Remove all blue tape from the paper output tray. Pull out the paper input tray. Remove the piece of tape holding the photo tray in place. Push in the paper input tray. Now remove the sticker covering the printer control panel. Remove any remaining materials. Next, remove the clear strip from around the front of the printer. Now we can begin setting up the printer. Open the bag that we set aside earlier. Take out the power cord, then the manuals. You will find a getting started guide, an instant ink information sheet, and the user guide. Copies of the user guide can also be found on the printer's product page at hp.com. In the Getting Started guide, you will find the written steps we are showing in this video. Before plugging in the power cord, be sure all packing materials have been removed from inside the printer. Close the top cover. Remove the twist tie from the power cord. Plug one end into the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. In this video, we are using a power strip, but HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet for best performance. Press the power button to turn on the printer. At this point, the printer will start initializing. When the printer stops making noise, select your language, then touch yes to confirm. Select your country or region, then touch yes again to confirm. Now we'll install the ink cartridges. Lift the top cover to access the carriage. Remove the tricolor cartridge from its package. If you have difficulty opening the package, you can use scissors to cut it open. Before installing the cartridge, you must remove the protective tab. Make sure you do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Insert the tricolor cartridge in the left slot. The contacts must face the back of the printer for a correct install. Slide the cartridge into the slot and press firmly until it clicks into place. Now remove the black cartridge from its package. Just as before, remove the protective tab, making sure not to touch the contacts. Insert the black ink cartridge into the right slot. If the cartridge does not click into place, try repositioning the cartridge and then reinstalling it until it clicks into place. Close the top cover. Then touch OK on the printer control panel to continue. When the load paper prompt displays, load plain white paper into the paper tray. Grab a stack of paper and align it by tapping it on a flat surface. Pull out the input tray and then push in the photo tray. Remove the tape holding the paper width guides. Then push out the paper width guides until they stop. Load the paper, then adjust the guides. Push in the paper input tray. Touch OK, then touch Done. The printer will now calibrate and print an alignment page. The alignment page allows the printer to know where the ink placement will be on future prints. To complete the printer setup, you must scan the alignment page. Lift the scanner lid, then place the alignment page face down using the markings on the printer as a guide. Close the scanner lid, then touch OK to scan the page. Scanning the alignment page is the final step in the alignment process. Once the alignment is complete, either an alignment successful or an alignment failed message will display. If you receive an alignment failed message after the scan, you can go to hp.com to resolve the problem. If you receive an alignment successful message, touch OK. This prompt only applies if you want to use the internet to install software for your printer. Touch More, then touch Manual Setup. If you are connecting via USB, you will touch No Network. We're going to show setting up this printer on a wireless network, so we're going to touch Network. The printer will then search for all wireless routers within range of the printer. select your network from the list. Then touch OK and enter the network password. The control panel has multiple letters per box, so touch each box until your letter displays. If your password has 2 of the same letter in a row, pause after the first letter, then enter the second. Once you've input your password, touch Done, then touch OK to confirm your settings. The printer will validate your wireless settings and connect to the network. When the connection successful screen displays, touch OK. At this point, you can set up web services by touching Continue, but we will not show that in this video. Touch Later. Choose an option under Printer Update Options. HP recommends you choose Install Automatically so your printer is always up to date. Touch OK. Then touch Home or Business. Choose how you want to use the printer, then touch Confirm. Now your printer hardware is set up. At this point, we're going to install the software. Grab the CD that came with the printer, and then we'll load it into the computer. Load the CD into the CD tray. Then close the tray. If the CD does not automatically run, click the prompt to open CD options. Click Run to open the installer. If a user account control window opens, click Yes. You have the option to go online to complete the software installation, but in this video, we're going to use the CD. Click No Thanks. Once the installer opens, click Continue. This screen shows software that is going to be installed. You can click the Customize Software Selections button to choose what software you install. Click Next. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click Next. The software and drivers will now install. For the purposes of this video, we sped up this process. At the connection options screen, you can either choose wireless, USB, or to connect your printer later. Since we set up the printer on a wireless network, we're going to choose the wireless option. Click Next. The installer will scan the wireless network for your printer, and once it finds your printer, you can choose it from the list. Then click Next. The installer will then connect the wireless printer to your computer. Follow any on-screen prompts that might appear. If you're not connected to the internet, you might receive an error message. This does not affect your printer's installation. This was the unboxing, setup, and installation of the HP MV5540 printer. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.